everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to mute videos on a Capcut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your Capcut apps, and after this, in here you just click. You can add the video that you want to edit, and after you add the video that you want to edit, if you wanna mute this sound on this video, it's so pretty simple. So you just click on this one. You can click on the mute, click audio, click on it, and the unmute has been saved. Or you can you can click on the audio at the bottom. After this, you can click on the video. You can click on the video, and after this you can click on the volume at the bottom, this one. You can click on it, and in here you can swipe until 0, and now you can click a check icon at the bottom and finish. So that's how to mute videos on a Capcut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.